Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Is your turtle refusing to eat this winter? You're not alone. Many turtle owners face this issue as temperature drops. Let's explore the reasons behind why your turtle might not be eating and what you can do about it. Winters can affect your turtle's appetite, but don't panic. In this video, we'll dive into the reasons behind your turtle's loss of appetite and what you can do to get your turtle on track. Just like other cold-blooded creatures, turtles also slows down their metabolism in colder months. As the water temperature drops, they become less active and their need for food reduces. If your turtle is moving slower and spending more time in basking, it is likely a natural response to the drop in temperatures. Ensure that your turtle's water temperature is stable between 24 to 27 degrees Celsius. If it is too cold, your turtle's digestive system might not function properly. Most of the turtles enter into hibernation in winters. This is a natural process where their body movements are slower and they may stop eating for weeks or even months. If your turtle is acting lethargic and refusing to eat food, it could be going through a hibernation period, which is normal as long as your turtle has a suitable habitat. Check for other signs of hibernation, like reduced movement and lack of basking, and make sure your turtle has the right water temperature and UVB lighting. Sometimes your turtle might not eat because of stress. A change in environment, like new tank setup or different feeding schedule, could also cause your turtle to stress, which leads to refusing to eat food. Also, if there are any loud noises around your turtle, or you are handling your turtle excessively, or there are other pets in your turtle tank which can cause them stress. Make sure your turtle's tank is quiet, clean and free from disturbances. Keep them in a peaceful area with constant lighting and temperature. While winter can reduce their appetite naturally, a refusal to eat food could also be a reason of health issues like respiratory infections, shell rot or parasites. All this can cause your turtle to stop eating. Keep an eye out for swollen eyes, trouble breathing, or unusual behavior. If your turtle isn't eating this winter, try adjusting their water temperature and ensure stress-free environment. If the problem persists, it is important to get a professional help. Has your turtle been refusing to eat this winter? Share your experiences in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe for more turtle care tips.